1, 2, 3.
Sometimes love comes around and it knocks you down. Just get right up when it knocks you down. Knocks you down.
Yay!
Sometimes love knocks you down. Just get right up when it knocks you down. Just get right up. Knocks you down, knocks you down. That's not gonna be a good night.
Hey, Maxwell, has love knocked you down yet?
Yes, yes. One time, in a very long time ago, my friend Alex, the girl Alex in school, when she said, "I love you, Max," I was like, "Ah."
And there you have it, folks. Love knocks down a 5-year-old.